you are planning to start baking or you have just started, I have a lot of nice advice for you to start in the best condition and save your time. I'm Geoffrey from Joe's Kitchen. Welcome! First, let's have a look at the equipment. When it comes to baking, you will not need a lot of equipment, but a few basics will be very important for you to start. First of all, before baking, you will need to measure your ingredients very precisely. A scale like this, which capacity to measure to the nearest gram, will be definitely very important. Second item, you will need to mix up ingredients all together, obviously. So the first one, you will need a whisk like this. When you need to mix up, for example, eggs and sugar energetically, this one will be very important. Next one, you will need a spatula like this. When it comes to mix up a bit more gently, this will be really a good item as well. Third, when it comes to mix up ingredients all together, I recommend you to have a high bowl like this and a wide to avoid having splash everywhere and also to be very free in your movement. So this one is really good. Then, when it comes to make some bread or some pie, for example, a roll pin like this will definitely be your friend. Last, if you intend to make some nice decoration on the cake with some cream, I do recommend you to buy this pastry bag to make some nice decoration. Then, let's talk about ingredients. While baking, you will find again and again all the time the same basic ingredients, so it's good to have a clear view on what are all of them. Obviously, the flour, so you can find a lot of different types of flour in the shop. However, don't spend too much time or too much energy at the beginning to understand which one is which. Just go for the basic one at the beginning and it will be more than enough. The butter. In some of the recipes you will see some oil are used for the cooking. I'm French and the butter is very important. It also gives some very nice texture and very nice taste of all the baking you will do. So I do recommend you to give a try and using butter instead of the oil. Then we have eggs, of course, and that's a funny story because now I'm living in Japan and here all the eggs are white and I'm used to use all the brown eggs in France. So when I arrived here I was surprised, like, wow, here the eggs are white, so it was interesting for me. Last, we have the sugar. So don't be stingy on the sugar. If you need 100 grams, put 100 grams. I have a very nice story about this. I used to attend some cooking lesson about macaron in France, in Paris, with a very famous chef. And at that time, one of the ladies in the group was asking the chef, by the way, I want to reduce the amount of sugar to make light macaron. What do you suggest? And the answer of the chef was, my advice is use the proper amount of sugar and eat only one macaron, but eat one good macaron. So just think about this and use the proper amount of sugar. That's really nice advice. Let's talk about the rule when baking. We really have to respect the rules, especially at the beginning. So let me go through a few of them. The first one is measure all ingredients very precisely at the nearest gram, and this is really one of the key of the success. Second, please insert all ingredients in the proper order. It seems to be not important, but it's really key item when it comes at the end to have a very nice texture and the proper result. Insert in the proper order, it's really one of the key. Also, respect the texture of each ingredient. For example, in the recipe, sometimes we have to insert melted butter or soft butter, or we have to insert flour with the powder one. So this is one of the key as well to succeed in baking. And of course, last advice, but sounds obvious, but it's really important. Respect the baking time in the oven and check carefully a few minutes before the end to make sure it's not overcooked, because otherwise it's end of the recipe. My last advice, but probably the most important one of all of them today, is don't be scared. Before you even start, you can seem to be, oh, it's impossible, I will never be able to do this recipe. But actually, it is possible. Just start simple and more, once you get used to the recipe, once you get used to all ingredients, you can definitely go for the most difficult one and you will be succeed with no problem at all. My final advice is be creative. Once you know how it works, then cooking is an art and you can do it the way you want. You can definitely integrate your own touch, your own flavor, your own ingredients, your own decoration. Make it your own recipe, and this is one of the most fun part of the cooking is you have the freedom, you can do your creativity the way you want. So really try it and you will definitely not regret it. And don't forget, baking is an art. That's all for today's advice. I do hope that all this video was useful for you, and please share your own experience in the comment. I'm really curious to know what went well and what was the difficult part for you. If you like this video, as usual, please share your comment in the comment area and subscribe to the channel if it's not yet done. And see you later. Bye bye.